Regenerative braking, or Regen, in your Tesla Model 3 captures kinetic energy during deceleration and converts it into electrical energy to recharge the battery. Unlike traditional brakes that use friction, Regen uses the electric motor as a generator. This system can be maximized with one-pedal drive, potentially eliminating most brake pedal use. The electric motor acts as a generator during deceleration, sending electricity back to the battery through the powertrain. This is more efficient than friction brakes that convert energy to heat. If your regen isn't working, it means your car isn't slowing down efficiently and you're losing potential energy recovery. This can happen due to battery issues, settings, or software problems. To check your regen settings, start by accessing your Tesla's touchscreen. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Pedals and Steering. Here you'll find the regenerative braking options: low, standard, and high intensity. Set it to standard or high for maximum regen recovery. A recent software update might have changed your settings. If set to low or off, that could explain reduced regen. One-pedal drive amplifies regen, allowing the accelerator pedal to control both acceleration and deceleration. Ensure it's enabled in the Controls, Pedals, and Steering menu. It works best with high regen. If one-pedal drive feels jerky or inconsistent, try recalibrating it by experimenting with different regen settings and driving styles. A California user found that switching to low regen on highways helped avoid fatigue, so find what works best for you. Software glitches can sometimes cause regen to malfunction. A common fix is to reset regen settings to standard and perform a power cycle. To power cycle, hold down both the brake pedal and the scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This often resolves temporary software conflicts, as noted by a Reddit user in 2025 who had their regen fail after a software update. Cold temperatures can significantly impact regenerative braking efficiency in your Tesla Model 3. When the outside temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, the battery's thermal management system activates to protect the battery cells. This can reduce regen efficiency by 20 to 30%, making your driving feel less smooth and potentially shortening your range. To address this, Tesla introduced a cold regen boost mode in their 2025 software update. This feature automatically adjusts the regenerative braking system to perform better in sub-zero temperatures, increasing efficiency by up to 25%. It works by optimizing the battery management system and motor controls to recover more kinetic energy without overheating the battery. Another helpful strategy is preconditioning your battery before driving in cold weather. This warms up the battery pack to optimal operating temperatures, which helps maintain regen performance and overall efficiency. You can precondition through the Tesla app or touchscreen by selecting Precondition before your trip. To see the broader impact of cold weather on range, here's a comparison showing how various EVs, including Tesla models, perform in freezing versus ideal temperatures. Notice how the range decreases significantly in cold conditions due to battery and regen limitations. By understanding these cold weather considerations and using the available features, you can help maintain optimal regenerative braking performance in your Tesla Model 3, even in challenging winter conditions. If none of the previous solutions resolve your regenerative braking issues, you might be dealing with a hardware problem. Common hardware issues include faulty brake sensors that fail to detect deceleration properly, or motor inverters that don't convert kinetic energy efficiently back to electrical power. Good news is that Tesla service centers have seen a significant 15 to 20% reduction in regenerative braking complaints. This improvement comes from proactive diagnostics available through the Tesla mobile app, which helps identify issues before they become major problems. To address potential hardware issues, use the Tesla mobile app to schedule a service appointment. The app also allows you to run diagnostics that can pinpoint underlying hardware problems, such as sensor failures or inverter issues, helping technicians prepare for repairs. According to Electrek Sandy Munro, battery degradation is often the root cause behind many regenerative braking failures. Make sure your battery undergoes a thorough check during service to ensure it's in good health and not causing regen issues. To maintain optimal regenerative braking performance, Always ensure your battery receives a comprehensive check during any service visit. This proactive approach helps prevent hardware-related regen issues from developing. The EV industry is moving towards adaptive regen systems that use AI to predict driving patterns and optimize energy recovery. Tesla's FSD integration in 2025 reduced energy waste by 10 to 15% in urban settings. Future battery technologies like solid-state cells expected in Model 3 updates by 2027 promise to boost regen efficiency beyond 80%, extending range. Keep an eye on software updates and new features that enhance regen performance and address potential issues.